Hello dear subscribers, I will tell you how you can easily fix your error. So if you see error on your iPhone, sorry, something went wrong, try again on your Facebook Messenger. So how you can fix it? So for fixing, first thing, just close and open your app again. And if you still have this error, so just check your internet connection. So just go to the settings. In the settings, you need to find Wi-Fi. Just turn off and turn on again your Wi-Fi. Also, you can try to restore your Wi-Fi router, so sometimes it also helps. And if you're using mobile data or cellular data, just turn it off and turn on again. Also, you can try to go to the general. In the general, just open software updates. Just wait until for check for updates. And if you see here available updates, just download and install them on your iPhone. Also, you can try to go to the general. Just scroll down. You will find under reset shutdown. Just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait a few seconds, and just power on your phone again. And also, you can try to update your messenger. Just go to App Store, just go to search tab, in search tab just write messenger. And if you see here update, just tap on update, and it will successfully download and install the latest updates for your messenger. So this is the way how you can also try to fix it. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.